I'm sure nawala din ng konti, which relates to the slump na pinag-usapan ko kanina. Nawala din yan, pero the beauty of something like radio, it's always there. You know, it's very accessible. Yung mga iPod, yung mga yan, mag-change ng technology yan, whatever, pero the radio is always there. It will only depend na lang kung sino yung mga DJ, kung yung, ano yung format ng stasyon, ano yung gimmick ng mga stasyon. That's why rin challenge nga sa amin yan from the radio industry to keep ourselves interesting. Tsaka pati yung stasyon, paano kami mananatili dun sa interest level ng tao. And that's why we find ways to do that. You know, that again, your iPods or your MTVs or mix won't be able to do. Kaya nga, ganun din ang MTV at saka yung mix in the last, let's say, 15 years. Dati, wala namang mga VJs yan, di ba? But it's signs of the times that you need it to be more personal. And that's the one thing that the MP3 can never be. Parang, it's only personal in the sense na gawa mo yung playlist mo, di ba? But it's just different when there's somebody sending out a song or playing a song for you. Maraming malaking bagay. Kahit yung pinaka-social na tao, kahit yung pinaka-matandang tao, pag naririnig yung pangalan nila, aminin nyo di ba? Parang may dating pa rin Kahit ano sabihin mo Tapos pag narinig ng ibang tao, mga kaibigan mo, di ba? May dating sa mga kaibigan mo So, those are, masasabi natin sa English na intangibles na hindi makukuha sa MP3 player. I think ngayon, ang pinakamalaking bagay, more than the MP3, internet Because more people spend more time on the internet. That's, you try to search for any study, lalabas yun. Kaya pati yung advertising sa internet umakyat din. Kasi most people spend half of their day, if not more, surfing. It's a reality. So, that's probably one of it, the reasons, no? Bakit siguro nahati. Hindi naman sa nawala, pero nahati yung atensyon. But, again, signs of the times. That's why radio stations broadcast on the internet. That's why radio stations, parang meron na lahat mga website. Even on the website, marami silang ino-offer. They offer maraming information about their favorite artists, DJs. You can listen, you can watch videos through their, at least ang pinag-usapan ko yung website ng Magic. Ganun. So, we try to keep up with the times and try to be as interactive as we can para dun sa audience namin. Dahil naiintindihan naman namin yung pangangailangan ng audience namin. Well, sa amin, ito lang sa amin ang thrust namin sa Magic. I can only speak for our radio station. Pinangungunahan namin ng mga tao sa mga gimmick, sa mga portions, sa mga the kind of talk, mga pinamimigay namin sa mga pinapatugtog namin. Kasi, again, I will go back to that theory na radio, just like any other medium, is dynamic. Araw-araw pwedeng magbago. Araw-araw maraming bagong lumalabas. Maraming trends na lumalabas. Pop culture, maraming, di ba? Araw-araw, kailangan yung mga tao sa radyo on their toes. Kailangan laging, parang yun nga, a step ahead of everybody. Hindi pwedeng pa-relax kami. What radio really offers is an option. Hindi naman namin pinagpipilitan na makinig di ba? Kung gusto nyo, makinig kayo. Di ba? Kung ayaw nyo, then turn it off, go to your MP3 player. Pero ang sa amin, what we try to do is something that, again, your MP3 player can't do. So, yun yung sa amin. Kami yung option. And hopefully, a lot of people, choose us as the option. Yeah. Radio, well, again, the power of radio, ang pinakamalaking advantage ng radyo talaga is reach. Kahit kadulod, I mean, mga professor in broadcasting will tell you, kahit sa kaduluduluhan ng Pilipinas, may nakikinig ng radyo. Mas marami pa kaysa nanonood ng TV dahil maraming hindi nakaka-afford ng TV or siguro yung technology, hindi pa nakakarating. Pero radyo, kahit transistor radio, ang pinakamura, marami. Kahit mga nasa telepono, di ba? They offer radios and So, the biggest advantage of radio is reach. And to answer your question, siguro that's ano yan yung parang take advantage of that. Alam mong marami ka maabot, so dapat you take advantage of that, pero wag mo aabusuhin. So in general, whether it's FM or AM, that's why there are a lot of news on the AM and commentaries kasi alam nila marami silang naabot na tao. And mabilisan. Hindi katulad sa TV na kailangan mo pa i-produce, kailangan mo pang, alam mo yan, sa radyo, instantly, may breaking news, they can go live to the scene through telephone or whatever. So instant ang ang radyo eh. Mas instant nga siya kaysa TV. Ang feedback, even the feedback. You can call the radio right away, tell them your thoughts, tell them, may pinag-uusapan kayo, tatawagan ka na isang listener, doesn't agree with you, makipag-away sa'yo. The feedback is instant. More instant than it is on TV for most of the time. So, yun ang mga advantage ng radyo that works for the medium.
Okay. So, follow-up na lang. Sa tingin niyo ba na ma-maximize yung potential ng radyo, yung medium mismo?
I think so, yeah. I think, alam naman ng mga marunong na tao sa radyo kung ano yung advantage at think na ma-maximize ng radyo yan. Kaya lang, yun nga yung sinasabi ko, sa lahat ng bagay dito sa media, may cycle yan eh. So, magsaslump din yan. TV will have its slump at some point, radio will have its slump, pero babalik din. And ang pinaka-biggest evidence kung bakit alam namin na nakabalik na radyo is because we're making more money than ever. Advertising is better than ever in the last 3 years for this radio station. So, alam namin that, we're fine. Radio's back, radio's there, and will never go away.